Okay mga anak, may as well continue kung ano yung purpose ng panaginip ko na si God mismo ay talagang nagsalita at pinarinig talaga sa akin kung ano mga dapat kong gawin. Because I was actually searching for some peacefulness, for some answers kung bakit may nagpanaginip sa akin dati na about the truth, and then of course nagpanaginip about when he was talking to me, but I've never seen his face. Only the words. Habang ako'y naglalakad, only the words, yun ang kasama ko habang ako'y naglalakad. And then at the same time, he came back to me again. And then the purpose, yung main purpose of him coming back to me in my dreams was to ask me to forgive my sister, which is I already did. So, kung ano man yung nagiging hatred ko or nagiging hinanakit ko sa aking sister, wala na, tinanggal ko na, and then now I feel at peace at this moment. Okay, so ngayon, dahil sa purpose niya na ako yung gagamitin niya magsalita kung ano yung gusto niya ipahiwatig sa ating lahat, and then I will have to do it right now. Kasi after all those years na binaliwala ko lang kung ano yung utos niya, then this is about time. Ayoko yung biglang parusahan ako talaga ng todo-todo to the fact na sasabihin niya na you didn't follow my instructions, or you've been disloyal to me, or you just ignored me. So the last thing I want right now is for him to really ignore me completely, especially now I'm getting old. So wala nang mawawala sa akin, diba? Nawala na yung anak ko, nawala na yung apo ko. Ngayon yung aking asawa, he's still at the hospital for the third time kasi kailangan na mag-heal pa siya because he just finished his third operation. So ibig sabihin, talagang tinanggal na niya lahat ang mga to para hindi ko i-focus yung attention ko sa kanila. And then I thought that I would find my peacefulness through Facebook. Kaya ako nandyan because I thought, okay, mga anak, kids, mga ganun. So I thought na that would be the only way I could find my peacefulness and happiness. But it's not. Okay? I actually got the opposite. I felt the opposite. Instead, sana na magkaroon ako ng peacefulness, nagkaroon ako ng stress, nagkaroon akong depression, diba? And anxiety, which is, I don't need that. So, ngayon, dahil tinapik niya ako, then, of course, dahil I've been doing it every day, I've been doing this every day, kasi kung hindi ko gagawin, I'm sure na ako naman yung parurusahan ulit. Okay? Pinarusahan na niya ako ilang beses. So right now, I cannot afford to ignore whatever he's done to me, whatever he's told me anymore. So, kaya ako nandito, wala akong pakialam kung you're still gonna be supporting my page or you're still gonna be listening. The most important thing is I'm doing my part dahil meron akong mission, okay? So, ngayon kung ano yung panaginip, it's not only an accident na talagang bigla na lang siyang dumating or whatever. There is a purpose right here. There is a divine mission that I have to accomplish at this point. And I have to do it. Kahit ikamatay ko, until the last breath I have, I'm going to do it every day because that's already a promise. Kaya mga anak, kung ano man yung mga problema nyo, those are not meant for me to carry. Those are just burdens. Those are the only ones that are actually stopping me kung ano yung dapat kong gawin o kaya kung ano yung mga mission ko sa buhay in order to grace the Lord, okay? In order to please Him, in order to make Him happy. You know, for me, it's not my obligation anymore to make you guys happy. Kaya mga anak, it's not my role talaga para konsentihin kung ano yung mga ginagawa nyo na magdepende na lang kung sino-sino yung namimigay dyan sa Facebook. Okay? Because if that is your life, and whatever is gonna be the result, then that's your problem, okay? Hindi na ako, hindi pwedeng sabihin nyo na, oh, bakit hindi mo ako binigyan, ganun ganyan. So, ever since that I stopped giving, I actually had peace, okay? I'm having some peace right now. Kasi nga naman, the more that I'm giving and the more na maraming tao magsasabi na, bakit kami? Para kaya nag-uunahan, it became a competition actually. Kung sino-sino yung mga nandyan na, tapos may nagsiselos, oh ako, certified anakin mo rin ako dahil ang tagal-tagal ko na rin yan sumusuporta sa iyo, mga ganun ganyan. So, dahil sa sobrang dami ninyo, I'm not capable of helping everybody. It's not even a help, it's actually just a reward actually. Pero every time na namimigay ako ng reward whatever, which is not even it's not even big. I mean, it was just barya-barya. Kaya yung mga patuloy pa rin paghingi dyan, that means to say they've never been listening or they've never been watching my videos lately. So again, I am not the solution to any of your problems, okay? The only solution I could give you is something spiritual, something motivational, and something na para magkaroon kayo ng wake-up call. Kasi ako nabigyan na mismo ng Lord ng wake-up call. And that's what I'm doing it. Okay? Dahil kung hindi ko gagawin ito, and I'm sure na lahat kayo ay umaasa na lang sa akin, I really have to stop that. Kasi yun na yung nakabaon sa mga utak ng iba eh. Di ba, pupunta sila sa aking page in order to, to wait or to hope na ako yung magiging solusyon ng kanilang financial problems, which is I'm not. Okay? Gusto ko lang malaman ninyo,